Alright guys, Sun State Scales here. Today we're going to go out to Cedar Key. Tropical Storm Debby is upon us. The outer bands are hitting us as we speak. We're going to go and see what it's like, the winds, the conditions, and the atmosphere of it right now. This is a lot different from our videos to come. We do a lot of fishing content, hunting stuff, videos that are soon to be out. But yeah, we're going to take y'all with us and come along for a ride.
Update.
We going in.
You can barely see in front of the car. The rain is coming down so hard. How you feeling?
I thought this was a bad idea.
We are going in. We live about 15 minutes from Cedar Key.
Whoa, the wind's crazy right there.
The wind is howling. We are on our way in. We're about to be in the island. You cannot see a thing. It is. Oh my gosh. This is only for a tropical storm.
That's not even here.
That's not even here.
Go again. What's up, guys?
What are we doing? What are we doing?
We're gonna throw this out here now. Ow, it's cut off.
Get it out of it! Let it rip! Get all the string out of it!
I'm having a technical error. I think I gotta bring it in and retry. Alright, hold on. What's going on?
Get it up into the wind!
Hold my hat.
You gotta get it out into the wind, bro. You're just blasted right away, man.
This isn't even the best part yet. This is still early. Whoa! Wow.
Weather Channel.
We live for this, baby. Let's take you out here.
Don't go that far.
Tropical Storm Debby. This is awesome. Look at this thing. Whoa, that was a big one. This is awesome. Let's go back before we die now. Unbelievable. Here, let's go back here and me talk and get some of the waves crashing in the back.
Huh?
Get some of the waves crashing in the background. We're out here, Cedar Key, Florida, Tropical Storm Debby. This is unreal, man. Look at this. It is crazy out here. I don't even know how hard it's blowing, but it's blowing. Whoa, my goodness.
What do you think?
It's crazy. Crazy awesome, though. Literally. You want to go see it? I just stepped in human crap. Oh.
Did you pee into the wind?
No.
Did you wash it off?
Yes, I did. What do you think I was doing right there? Where are we going now?
The main pier again.
The main pier we got a dolphin out there. We got a dolphin right there. I don't know if you see that. He's trying to escape the storm, but it's unreal. This is crazy, and it's only getting better. The intensity of the storm is unmatched. We're still hours from landfall, and it's pure chaos. Wow! Crazy. We need to do some cool stuff. You know what's crazy? I bet you the fish are biting crazy right now. Too bad we don't have a pole. Is it going? It's crazy. Oh, it's picking up as we speak. Whoa! It's mayhem out here. I don't even know how strong the winds are, but they're strong. Crazy.
Dude, my phone's gonna be so messed up.
Oh my gosh!
Wait for a big one to hit. Just get it on me. Okay, guys. The camera just died at literally the worst possible time it could. We were out there, Cedar Key, at the main boat ramp. There were a ton of weather. Pan over that for a second. Look how crazy that is right now. I'm not gonna look at that and be like, that's not that rough. It's normally glass in there on a rough day. So if it's white capping there, just know that it's windy. But the camera died, and we were out there messing around. The Weather Channel literally interviewed me. Okay, and the camera died, so we don't have that. We got a video of it on the iPhone. We'll try to include that in the video, but it was awesome.
Sydney, what do you think?
That was cool. That was fun.
Well, see you back at the house.
Sounds good. that's it for our video today. We went out, we took y'all with us to kind of see firsthand what it's like in Tropical Storm Debby and kind of the conditions and what it's like. I just like to take a minute, we try to make it fun and games, but the locals, they go through a lot with these storms, and we pray that everything's good for them and everybody else in the path of these storms. So, yeah. Thank y'all. Make sure to like and subscribe. There's fishing content, hunting content on the way, and any more storms to come, we're going to be out there with them, taking y'all with us.